In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make round logo with Canva. We'll keep it simple, clean, and brand ready, and by the end, you'll have a crisp circular logo you can use anywhere. Start by opening Canva and selecting Create a Design. Choose Custom Size, set it to 500 by 500 pixels, and pick the logo option. A square canvas is perfect for a round logo because it keeps proportions consistent and exports cleanly across different platforms. Next, add the base shape. Go to the Elements tab, search for Circle, and select a solid circle shape. Drag the corners to resize it so it fills most of the canvas. Leave a little breathing room around the edges, so nothing gets cut off when you export. This circle will act as your background and boundary, giving your logo that classic round badge look. Customize the background by changing the circle's color to your brand colors. Click the color tile on the top bar. Choose from your recent swatches, or paste a hex code. Aim for strong contrast with any text or icons you'll add. Contrast is what makes a logo readable at small sizes. Now add your brand name. Click Text, add a heading or simple text box, and type your name or tagline. Choose a font that reflects your style and adjust the size so it's legible. With the text selected, click Effects, then choose Curve. Use the slider to bend the text along the circle's edge. For text along the top, a gentle curve usually looks best. If you want matching text along the bottom, duplicate the text box, apply curve again, and move the slider in the opposite direction so it arches downward. Fine-tune letter spacing and size until both lines look balanced and sit comfortably inside the circle. Add graphics or icons to complete the mark. In Elements, search for an icon or illustration that fits your brand, then place it inside the circle. Scale it so it reads clearly without crowding the text. If the element allows, match its color to your palette for a cohesive feel. Keep it simple. Fewer elements often make a stronger logo. When you are satisfied, give everything a final glance for alignment and spacing. Then click Share. Choose Download and select PNG. If you want the logo to sit cleanly on any background, check Transparent Background before downloading. This removes the white box and leaves only your circular design. That's it. Thanks for watching.